Namaste, I am Dr. Kanchan Gupta to narrate the story of Trilinga Swami, the Telang Swami, Shiv Ram, with his mystic powers and yogic powers as an incarnation of Lord Shiva with numerous spiritual, miraculous, mystical powers. He lived for 300 years. He was a Digambar, the naked, childlike Swami roaming everywhere. He was born in 1607 in Vizianagaram, the Kumbilapuram, now known as Kumili, Puspatireka Tehsil in Andhra Pradesh. His mother's name was Vidyavati and father's name was Narsingarao. His brother's name was Sridhar. His father died at the age of 40. His grandfather said that he will be born again from Vidyavati's womb to complete the sadhana, the austerity in devotion to Ma Kali and Trilingam Telang Swami, the Shiv Ram, is the incarnation of his own grandfather. His mother Vidyavati exposed this secret and he got initiated to carry Ma Kali's devotion in nearby Kali temple, the Punya Kshetra, always being nearby to his biological mother Vidyavati Devi. After death of his mother in 1669, he saved the ashes from her chitta, the chitta bhasm, and wear used to smear the ashes on his body to continue Kali sadhana, worshipping Ma Kali day and night. He lived in a small cottage near cremation ground. After being in spiritual practice for 20 years, he met Bhagirath Anand Saraswati from Punjab in 1679 century. Shiv Ram was named Ganpati Saraswati in 1733 by his guru Bhagirathanand Saraswati. Then he went to Prayagraj in 1733 and in 1737 he moved to Varanasi to get settled there. He spent 150 years of his life in Varanasi. He was the member of Dashnami order. He became known as Telang Swami. His biography has been written and published by many writers, even foreigner writers such as Robert Arnett has written biography of Telang Swami. He used to drink toxic poisons without any harm to him. He was heavyweight. His body weighed 140 kgs. He could read the mind of others. He knew what the other person was and what he was thinking or planning. He used to drink buckets of lemons. He used to sit on surface of Ganga river for many days and used to get disappear in Ganga water for many days and used to appear suddenly again on surface of Ganga river. My namaskar to such sages. My namaskar.